Epic. I like the blues, man. That's really deep.
All day long.
You know, we have the information that tells us that God is black. And a lotus flower, I want to be your friend.
We can be friends.
Hey, Piggy. How's it going, Piggy? How about a Hare Krishna book? Do you have a Hare Krishna book already? Yes?
Thank you so much.
Great. So this is a book, How to Be Actually Open-Minded. Have you heard about that before? God is black too.
Yeah, I was born that way and knew it. Yeah.
Cool.
I love your music. Thanks. Very inspiring.
You know, you're good looking. Hey, I got something yesterday in the mail. I thought since you're good looking, maybe you could help me with little modeling. Would you like?
Sure.
If you like it, you can have it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna show you.
Okay. This is fun, yeah, thank you.
I really like them. I will buy one for my daughter.
I like mine.
Is that an actual website? If you go to the Living Monk store, you could get a 30% discount. Are you gonna go?
Take it with you, share it with your friends. They're gonna love it too. Don't you?
Wow, that was perfect.
Asking a question usually get people to stop.
You're gonna read it if I give you the book to read, huh? Oh, here, you're gonna resonate.
Huh?
Really? We worship black
Hold on,
God.
I got a lot of books already. I don't want to take it off
You
your
sure?
hands.
But it tells you that God is black. Isn't that phenomenal?
Pictures in here?
Oh yeah, there are plenty of pictures in the middle and the end like that. Here, this guy, he used to be. Yeah, question is a hook, right?
Yeah.
Books, not bombs.
Oh, yes. But
So
I already know. I don't need convincing.
Oh, epic.
It's the guy, man.
Nice. Just chilling.
Yeah.
Cool. So this book to help you chill forever. You know, never going back to the material world again. Thank you so much, man.
All right.
Have a blessed day.
All right.
Rama Rama. Books and bombs, St. Augustine. Hare Krishna. Hey, nice glasses.
Thank you.
Was it a gift? Picked them yourself?
My daughter.
Wow, great. Here's a book for you then. Here, meditation. You heard about meditation? Meditation?
Oh, I'm good.
No, you can be better. Can be always better.
Oh, would you like a bookmark? That way you can keep your progress.
Oh yeah, sure, yeah.
Yes, or if that one's too big, you can have a small one.
All right. Cool. Thanks so much.
Have a great day.
I like your shades. Thank you. You look in good shape. You exercise? Yeah. Great. This is people exercise. Meditation.
It's
No?
okay, thank you.
Can be better. Can be always better. Epic. You got your first book out. How was it?
It was great. Actually, went really well.
Yeah, books and bombs. Have you seen anything like this before? For you actually need the book.
Of course.
Oh, Hare Krishna.
Yes,
So
Hare
you know the
Krishna.
mantra.
Please.
Here.
Thank you so much.
Krishna.
I love your music.
Thanks.
Very inspiring.
Haribo. Mali is encouraging Leah to go and gives the book out.
Yes.
Leah, everyone is depending on you. They want to feel Krishna in their hand. Ah. How's your experience of book distribution today, Malini?
People are in groups, and I
couples,
found that
groups.
challenging. Because I want to stop one, but then the other one brings them. So, and I'm trying to go to single people because there is more chance that they are not going to be grabbed away from me
They're
by
lonely
someone
and they're
else.
looking for company already.
And, yeah, I had 2 nice interactions with people who took books. So I'm happy with that.
I met some people from Canada. Hey, cool tats. I like the tats. Sick. You did them here in St. Augustine? You're from around here?
No, Canada.
Canada? Oh, me too. Montreal. You're from Montreal? No, Toronto. Vancouver?
4 hours from Toronto, Windsor.
Oh, Windsor, Ontario.
No, Windsor, Ontario.
Oh, Windsor,
Yeah,
Ontario. Epic.
Yeah.
Nice to see you here. You take a
Yeah, I met a military from France.
Oh, wow.
You believe he is here on a mission to work with the military in America.
What
So
a
I
coincidence.
wanted to crack
It's
the
just like you.
codes.
You're in the real military. Books, not bombs.
Exactly.
Book with you home, meditation.
Yes.
We'll give them out. It's about meditation, how to free the mind, not be stressful like that. Everything is in the mind, right? You heard about the power?
My brother told me about it, but she like it.
Wow, looking good. Power over the mind.
Okay.
You heard about meditation?
No, I'm not into that, man.
Oh, you can give it. Good, good. You exercise, no? Sometimes.
Okay.
Great. This is for people to exercise sometimes. Someone, no?
No,
If you
I'm
feel
good.
like, no
I'm
problem.
good.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Have a good day.
You too.
And I like your hair, it's so nice.
Yeah, yeah. She's right. Hi there. Beautiful earrings, wow.
Thank
There's a book
you.
for you, Star, here, meditation.
She
Yoga.
already gave me one.
Oh, great, you're fortunate. Read it, all right? Wow, beautiful couple. Probably hear that a lot, eh? Every day? Twice a day? No, try. Great, then I'm here for you to tell you that, okay? Every day. Come. Wow, beautiful family. Wow, you probably hear that a lot, eh? Every great meditation for you, for the whole family. Yeah. Okay, bye. You say "a" like here, or it's like a Canadian thing?
No.
Canadian.
Yeah, it's totally Canadian.
Yeah, I picked it up there. Wow, is that electric?
Yep.
I like persist. Yay! Beautiful couple. You from here? You from around here? For someone from around here. You're from around here? Great. Okay. Bye. Wow, you look in good shape. You exercise, no?
Thank you.
Great. So people exercise, meditation, yoga. You heard about yoga? So yoga by reading. You can do by reading. Hey, cool hoodie.
Thank you.
Cool. Meditation. You heard about meditation?
Yeah, I love meditation.
Great. This is mantra. Mantra meditation means to open the mind. Are you open-minded?
I think I'm pretty open-minded.
Great. You can test yourself at home. Meditation. We give them out. We do ask a little donation for the printing. Something from your heart. Do your best. The printing is around 5, but whatever gives a blessing. Some give less, some give more. Thanks, man. Have a good day.
You too.
Oh, here's the free book cover.
Really?
A bookmark.
Thank you, dog. Did you hug?
Yes, I do.
Love you.
Love you too. Hare Krishna.
It was so great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He gave donation.
Yeah. Even a hug. He gave me a hug.
Oh, stand.
I am sorry, I have accent. Czechoslovakian accent.
Wow, beautiful couple. Are you a couple? What?
Yeah.
Great. This is for couples. Here, you're qualified. You read sometimes together?
Yeah.
Great. The mantra. Mantra means to free the mind. Are you open-minded couple? Great. Test yourself at home. We give them out. We do ask a little donation for the printing. Something from your heart for the printing costs. $1 will be fine.
$1.
You're from St. Augustine or just visiting?
Ormond Beach, yeah.
Where?
Ormond Beach.
Oh. Where is that?
It's like 40 miles out.
Ah, okay. I'm from Canada, so I'm not too much
okay.
familiar. Montreal. Have a good day. Hi, beautiful family. Wow.
Thank you.
You probably hear that a lot.
Oh, yeah.
All the time. Great. Hi, beautiful smiles. Wow, what's your secret? Natural.
Happy with my
Beautiful. These are people happy. Meditation.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Can you see the eye? Can you see the eye?
Ram Hare Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna
Eat that. I want to touch that.
Krishna Hare Hare
And then we get all agitated. And then if our mind is not controlling the sense, it's
Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Prabhupada, Jaya Jaya Prabhupada. Shri Gauranga ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Thakura Premanande. Hari Hari Nibo. Books not bombs.
Did you hug?
Yes, I do.